In this tutorial, I show how to include a jump scare video while performing a man in the middle for Omegle. Open Sound Mixer options, 2 separate browsers, OBS and VoiceMeeter. Okay, step 2. In VoiceMeeter Potato, select your speakers for A1. Okay, set my speakers. Set B1 input to B2 output. So B1 input is here. Set it to B2 output. Set B2 input to B1 output. This is B2 input. Going to B1 output. It's already set. Set B3 input to B1 and 2 output. So this is B3 input going to B1 and 2 output. So these are the outputs over here. All right. 2 step 2s, right? Got to fix that. In sound meter options, change the output for OBS to be VAIO 3. Okay. VAIO 3. Good. Close OBS, open again. This will make OBS sound go to VAIO 3 input. Okay. So close OBS and we'll open it again. And it's right here. Okay. What else? For browsers to show up in sound mixer options, you need to play some audio through them. You can go to Omegle or YouTube. I just used an HTML snippet that plays an audio file on my PC. So we'll just hit that play button there, this play button here. Look at our settings, and they showed up now. Okay. And it says set your first browser to use VAIO and your second browser to use VAIO AUX. First one to use VAIO. And second one is VAIO or AUX VAIO. AUX VAIO. Okay. So that was set. All set. Refresh the page in each browser, replay sound. VoiceMeeter will show the output of the browser going to the virtual input. I'm not showing it right now, except for this one. So I'll just refresh, replay. Take a look. Popped up. Very nice. All right. Add 3 scenes in OBS. Add window captures for the browsers. Okay. So we'll rename this to be, you know what I mean. All right. Get rid of this display capture. I'm going to add a window capture. Capture our first browser. Okay. Add another window capture for the other one. And capture the second browser. Okay. What else do we have to do? It says add the first 2 scenes to the third scene. Do that. Add scene. And add another scene. Got the 2 scenes here in the last one. And it says add virtual cam filters. Right click here, filters. Add virtual cam. Okay. OBS cam 2. Start. Close. Right click here, filters. Virtual cam. Virtual cam. OBS cam 1. Start. Close. Okay. Now add the media source you want for the jump scare. All right. Media source. Adding here. Look at these assets. Okay. Add it to the first scene. Add it to the second scene now. Media source. Gonna add existing. Okay. Let's see. That big. That big. All right. Right click the audio mixer and go to advanced audio properties. All right. Advanced audio properties. Set the audio monitoring to monitor only for a media source. Okay. Now it says click settings and go to hotkeys. Settings, go to hotkeys. Look for the media source. Set up a hotkey. Okay. Apply that. Click on the third scene to enable both cameras. Click studio mode. From studio mode, we can make changes while keeping the third scene active. All right, this is it. We're all set up, guys. Let's actually open up Omegle so you can see sort of what this might look like. Okay, so you can see that this camera is outputting to 2, which is incorrect. So it's just an OBS thing. It gets confused. So we just need to go to our first browser, click on our window capture. We just need to click at the wrong app and then go back to the correct app, and everything should be set up. Yep. So my mouse is over here. Oh, it didn't quite take. Let's do that again. So click on the first capture here. We'll go to the wrong browser and then the right browser, and that should fix it. It's not fixing it. Okay, let's see what's going on here. This is the second browser. This is the first one. Okay, still not grabbing it. So that is, haven't seen this before. This is a weird error. Window capture. Equal to Omegle 1. Omegle 1. Okay. 2. Alright, so now it seems to be working. For some reason I couldn't change it right here in the shortcut. I had to actually open up the properties and change it from this menu. But anyhow, that's just one little problem. Let's test out that shortcut key.
Got him! Got him!
Alright, looks like it works. Make sure when you do that, you hide first. So the first thing you do, the first shortcut key you'll press will be the one to hide, and then you'll do the one to show. And always make sure when you're done playing it, you always hide it again, because it only displays, it will only play when you make it visible again. Alright, that does it for this tutorial. Thanks, guys.